just had to deal with the most outrageous gen rushers I had ever seen last match. This killer was suggested by my friend, as I have never played clown in a long time, so it took me some time to get used to him. It seems that Ada has returned after my unknown video. I was zoned out, so it's not my fault. After getting a speed boost by my own pee, I start to go after this person to slim them out for pallet stunning me. I'm gonna make sure you remember the unknown video, Ada. You can never escape my endless coughing, Ada. Same scream, different video. I want to apologize about last video because I feel like I was being very negative, but I am much calmer now. You son of a bitch. I lost her, but I will get her next time. After this survivor drops a pallet on me, I chase her so I can sit on her. This survivor does a 100 IQ move like many before her. After she get unhooked, I put her back down because I didn't give her permission to be unhooked. After they unhook her, I throw my beer bottles at them. This survivor tried to hug my beer beak, so I slice him so he doesn't touch me again. I just realized that the survivor I just hooked also makes a return from my Springtrap video. These survivors just hooked the person behind my back like I would notice, so I got to punish them. I love to inhale my own pee. Watch this insane throw. It's so satisfying to make a trick shot. Bro tried to make a tight turn around my fatness. It seems they left her to die on the hook. This person tried to escape my beer and I can't allow that. Why did I do a double cough? What a bad little survivor. Also, useless fact, I'm on call with my friend while recording. These survivors tried to do gen, but I can't allow that to happen, so I get ready to tickle them. Did she really try to blind me? That's what you get for trying to blind me. This person unhooks this Ada right in front of me, so I have no choice but to touch it. And she still tries to blind me. That's what you get for unhooking Ada. And she still tries to blind me, what the fuck? After hooking him, I get tired of Ada's BS, so I hunt her down. Where's your flashlight now? They left Ada U-hook, so I'm gonna turn everyone into brisket.
Damn.
After she tries to do some stupid spin, I destroy her. I'm gonna tickle you like no one has ever done. Bro tried to pallet stun me. Bro left her to die so he can get hatch. What a bad boy. GGS.